Welcome back to Viet Flavours. Today we're making a classic comfort dish from Vietnam, Vietnamese Beef Stew. This aromatic, hearty stew is perfect for sharing with family and friends, and I'll show you how to make it step by step. Let's start with our ingredients. For the beef and marinade, you'll need 2 pounds of boneless beef chuck or brisket. We'll also use minced garlic, shallots, fish sauce, a bit of MSG or chicken bouillon powder, Vietnamese beef stew seasoning, and 5-spice powder. For the Vietnamese beef stew seasoning, I use this brand. You'll notice it says beef stew sauce right on the label. You can find this or similar brands at almost any Asian supermarket. For the broth, gather some carrots, fresh lemongrass, ginger, bay leaves, star anise, a cinnamon stick, coconut water, tomato paste, and more beef stew seasoning. Don't forget fish sauce, salt, and mushroom powder to taste, and a little cornstarch can help thicken the broth if you like. For garnish, have some cilantro, Thai basil, thinly sliced onions, and fresh Thai chilies ready. First, let's prepare the beef. Bring a pot of water to a boil and add the beef along with an onion. Blanch for about 5 minutes to remove any impurities. Then, drain and rinse the beef under cold water. Cut it into bite-sized pieces if you haven't already. In a large bowl, combine your beef with 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon MSG or chicken bouillon powder, 2 teaspoons 5-spice powder, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, 2 tablespoons minced shallots, and 1 teaspoon Vietnamese beef stew seasoning. Mix everything well, cover, and let it marinate for at least 2 hours. For the best flavor, marinate overnight in the fridge. While the beef is marinating, peel and cut your carrots into large chunks. Slice the ginger and smash the lemongrass stalks to release their aroma. Did you know? Bo Co actually began as a humble street food in Vietnam, but it's become incredibly popular over the years. Some say that Bo Co was influenced by Chinese culinary traditions, since it uses a blend of spices often found in Chinese cooking. That's part of what gives this stew its unique and unforgettable flavor. It's time to cook. Heat a large pot over medium-high heat. Add a splash of oil, then toss in the smashed lemongrass and cinnamon stick and sauté for about a minute until fragrant. Add the marinated beef and sear it on all sides until nicely browned. Pour in 6 cups of water, scraping up any browned bits from the bottom. Bring it to a boil and skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the top. Now add the coconut water, sliced ginger, bay leaves, star anise, tomato paste, and the rest of the beef stew seasoning. Give it a gentle stir. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover and let it simmer for about an hour, or until the beef is tender and flavorful. About 20 minutes before the stew is done, remove the lemongrass, cinnamon stick, ginger slices, and star anise. Taste your broth and adjust with fish sauce, salt, or mushroom powder as needed. For a deeper red color, add a bit more tomato paste. If you like a thicker stew, mix a tablespoon of cornstarch with a little water and stir it in, letting it simmer for a few more minutes. Add the carrots and continue simmering until they're just tender. Just look at how beautifully the stew is coming together. The beef is tender, the broth is rich and fragrant, and the colors are absolutely gorgeous. Ladle the hot beef stew into bowls. Garnish with chopped cilantro, Thai basil, and thinly sliced onions. Add fresh Thai chilies for a spicy kick if you like. Serve your beef stew with toasted French baguette, steamed white rice, or over rice noodles or egg noodles for a hearty meal. And there you have it, Vietnamese beef stew, or bo co, made right at home. Thanks for cooking with us on Viet Flavours. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let us know in the comments how your stew turned out and what you'd like to see next. See you next time.